Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Shiko. You're very much welcome. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Today's video we are going to be unboxing. I promised you guys to do a ring light unboxing video, and that's what we are about to do. But first, let me just appreciate how much my skin is glowing. Most of you have been asking me to share my skincare routine, and I'm so sorry that I've not yet posted it. Latest next week I will have it on my channel, so subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload so that you won't miss any upload. Let's get started on the unboxing. So this is how the packaging is. The box is written at an 18-inch ring light, LED soft ring light, and this is how the light basically looks like. And it comes with a stand, which I've already taken out of the box. It was inside this paper. So with the stand, you can adjust to the height you want by adjusting these knobs over here. So I'm going to lengthen it, and then you tighten the knob so that it will be steady. And then I'll also put it to this length and tighten again. So this is the part where the light is attached, and also there's another knob here for adjusting the width of this so that it can either expand, or as in you can just play around with it to the width that you want, as long as it's steady, and then you just tighten it from here. So I'm going to attach the lights. So this is the light. It's like a plastic, so it's very nice since it won't break if it falls, I think so. And this is the part you attach to the stand, and then you tighten through this knob. So I'm going to bring down the stand so that it can be able to see it nicely. So the light is fixed, and then we have this knob over here. This one is to adjust the angle of the light, so you can bring it down, face down. Let's say I'm taking a photo of something that is on the ground and I want the light to hit the object. I'll just angle it like that. Yeah, so that's the work of this knob. So it has always to be tight so that the light is steady. You have to make sure everything is tightly held. So I'll put it on this angle. So this is the part where you adjust the light, and this is the power button. And then we also have these two knobs over here. One is for adjusting the brightness, and the other one is for changing color. I'm just going to show you. And so this is the power cable that it comes with. So you connect these to these parts. And then you connect this to your power source and light it from the power button, which is behind here. So, yes. It also comes with this bag where you can put the light and the stand if you're traveling, and the bag has a hard casing to protect the ring light. Then we have the mirror, the makeup mirror. So nice. Yeah, comes with, okay, let me put the mirror down first. So it comes with a phone stand. This is the phone stand. And then we have a cold shoe. It's a cold shoe, and this thing that holds the phone holder. So for the mirror, it already has its own holder, so you're just going to fix it here. So you slide it on this place, and then you adjust this screw so that it can be held tightly. Yeah. So I'm going to have it face me. Let me transfer it to this place. So this is how I look like when the ring light is facing me. You can see the reflection inside my eyes. Let me show you how I'd look like without the light, so that you can be able to see the difference that it makes. So you can see it's a bit dark, but when I switch on the light, you guys can see me well. And I can also adjust I can change the colors. This is the orange filter. There's another one, I don't know the name. Then there's this white one. Then you can also change the brightness. You can dim it, you can turn it down totally, and then you can brighten it up. You can just play around with it to the level of brightness you want. So I'm going to remove the mirror and put my phone. So just loosen this thing. So for the phone, you have to first use this. Slide it onto this part. Then attach this over here. And we have this small lock for tightening it up. Then this is where the phone holder is attached. It's rotatable. So if you are shooting with the front camera, you can and you want to change to the back camera, you just turn it, and then you use this knob over here to tighten it. So this is going to make my work so much easier. I'm just going to fix the phone here. So my phone is fixed on the lights. You can see the difference it makes. So I got the light at 16,000 shillings. It was actually going for 18,000, but I bargained to 16, and that includes the stand, the phone holders, the mirror. It's actually a very nice deal because the mirror in itself goes for 2K to 2.5. Yeah, so if you want this light, or if you're looking for a way to add lighting to your filming setup, I would advise you to go for a ring light. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll try get the contact of the person who sold me. I got it at a shop in Jamia Mall. Yes. If you have any questions, leave them at the comment section. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.